guys, I have all that rotisserie chicken left over from yesterday. So today I'm making chicken Parmesan chaffles. So in my bowl I already have all of the ingredients except one. I'm going to let you know what they are here. It is 1/3 cup of the rotisserie chicken shredded, 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of basil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. And then what you're going to add to this, the last ingredient, is 1 egg, and you mix it all together. This is going to make 2 chaffles. So you will also need like a little waffle maker. I have this Dash mini waffle maker. It's going to come out to 2 of them with these ingredients. Alright guys, so here's your mixture. Mixed it all around. And it's going to be ready to go ahead and be put into the waffle maker. And I do like to spray it down just so I make sure. I know it says non-stick, but I like to spray down just to make sure. I don't want a big mess and it's stuck all over. Hey guys, another quick tip before you start your chaffle. Since it's going to make 2, you can already divide it kind of into 2 in here, and then you can scoop it out, okay? Alright guys, so there we go. That's half of the mixture, and I'm going to go ahead and put it down and we'll cook it. Alright guys, so while my chaffle is cooking, I'm preheating the oven to 375, and then you'll want to get a pan, to put in the oven, and then line it with parchment paper because you're going to put the chaffles on here, and then we're going to place pizza sauce and some more mozzarella on top, and then they go in the oven, okay? Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at this. And that looks pretty well done. So we could go ahead and remove this, and then I'd have your pan right next to it so you could just place it on there, okay? Alright guys, so I've transferred my chaffles over to my cooking pan, and these are going to be the last ingredients I'm going to add. We're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons for each chaffle of the pizza sauce, 2 tablespoons of mozzarella for each chaffle, and then just sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes on top just for that added bonus look. Alright guys, this is how it will look. You've got 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce right on top of each chaffle. Okay? Alright guys, then here are the chaffles with the 2 tablespoons per chaffle of mozzarella cheese on top. Alright guys, and there's just a little bit of that parsley, just a tiny little pinch for each chaffle. We're going to bake these, like I said. Your oven should already be at 375 until the cheese melts and it kind of starts browning a little bit. And we'll go ahead and put them in now. Right guys, while my chaffles are in the oven, I just want to show you how versatile having a rotisserie chicken is. We had, this huge container of chicken. So my husband and my son, they're going to have chicken. I'm going to go ahead and heat it up in here. But I put noodles for them, and then I'll put some sauce in there and some mozzarella cheese, and they're going to have a hearty dish too. So this works out. I usually try to do this, have the same protein as them, and I just kind of make it different for them since they're not on keto. So I just wanted to put that in there because it is very versatile to just put a chicken in the crock pot and let it cook because you'll have a lot of chicken remaining. Alright guys. These are done. Took about 10 minutes, I would say. Look at that. Could have browned them a little more. I think that's good. They look delicious.